Very good morning to one and all. I, Mr. N.G. Asole, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Before starting the uh, program uh, outcome, I would like to introduce the personalities of our department. Dr. Noor Mohammed, um, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Chemistry, and the Dr. S.A. Kaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. So these both the personalities are valuable for me. Let us move towards the our program, that is induction program. The purpose for making this video is to introduce of PO, PSO and the CO. After completion of this program, students are able to understand this topic, use different techniques for after going in the industry, and so on. In second in semester third and the semester fourth, there is 6 chapter and there is practical. In for chapter 6, over that the theory paper is for 80 marks and the practical is for the 50 marks and the internal assessment for the 20 marks. Also same in semester 4th, there is 6 unit and over that 6 unit the university theory examination for the 80 marks, university practical for the 50 marks and the 20 marks for the internal assessment. In syllabus, in final year syllabus, there again 6 unit is there. Again same, on that 6 unit, university theory paper is for 80 marks and the university practical for the 50 marks, and again there is also 20 marks for internal assessment. There is again project, assignment, unit test, seminar and the study tour also is there. Again in semester 6, there is 6 unit and for this 6 unit, on that 6 unit the theory paper, university theory paper is for the 80 marks and the university practical paper for the 50 marks, and again there is 20 marks on the basis of internal assessment, on the basis of the practical project, project, assignment, test and seminar and the group discussion, etc. After completion of these 3 years course, students are able to understand the different reagent, name of reagent, name of reactions also, again spectroscopic technique, again the how to draw the structure of the reagent and the structure of the molecules also, and the chemical reaction, that is name reactions and their mechanisms also. Students are able to handle the highly sophisticated instrument in the laboratories. Students are also understand the history of the modern periodic table. Students are also able to use the knowledge in the chemistry in different um, disciplinary, and students are able to use the organometallic compound, that is again electronic spectroscopic techniques, purification of the organic compounds also. Students are able to know the analytical techniques for going to the industry. uh, After completion of the this 3-year degree in chemistry, students are go into the um, for the industry. Students are also apply for a PhD, or again students are also apply for the lectureship. Students are also go through the national eligibility test, that is NET. They also crack GATE exam. Students are also crack the SET exam, that is state eligibility test. Students are also go for chemical industries. Students are also apply for the research center also, by cracking the examination, that is the GATE, graduate aptitude test in engineering. So chemistry students also apply for that. And this is all about the university syllabus of second year and the final year. So this is all about the your final year syllabus. Thank you.